So here I am on a hike all by myself in the world. I just had to pause for a moment to share the amazing music of nature. Isn't that cool? The musicians, they don't stomp on each other or get in each other's way. They work together. Boy, even my feet have a rhythm of their own that's kind of complementary. I'll stop talking and keep walking so you can check that out. My contribution to nature's song. Beautiful ray of sunshine coming on down. Look, a friend. I'll show you how big he is. Look at him just make his way across the trail, man. Where's he going? Why did the snake cross the trail? Oh, so fast! They can move real fast. Ooh, that gives me the heaves. Like, couldn't he just come out and go anytime? Did he go in a hole? Oh, so many questions. I think I'd walk through a spider web. I don't even know how. How could I walk through a spider web? There's nothing to connect it, but I'm definitely wearing one. I could fathom where the heck that web came from, because then I might be worried there'd be an actual spider on me. Also, I'm on camera, so I might as well portray myself as a tough cookie who ain't scared. Look at that new song, birds. Birds chirping. The breeze. Man, oh man. Feeling kind of lucky to be out here. One more indication of nature's party is that I'm hanging out with a whole bunch of really fly friends. Can you see them? Got a little song going of their own too. They be fly. They fly friends. Dude, it's a straight up party out here.